like it's horrible when your baby goes to school and is bullied. It's horrible. Like no parents should experience that. Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to another video, welcome to another vlog. So guys, yeah, today is Tuesday guys. How are you all doing? How was your weekend? Hope you had a nice weekend. I had a nice weekend, and yesterday was the bank holiday and I really had fun. We rested so much at home, and today is Tuesday. What I'm doing today, I would have done it yesterday, or I would have done it over the weekend, but the weekend was a bit busy. I had visitors on Saturday. Sunday we went out and we had fun, like family fun outing.
We went to the Superman park.
Yeah, I've already posted that vlog. We went to the Western Superman.
I was so excited.
We went to the beach. That vlog is already up. I'll put a link on my description so you can watch it.
I was so excited, but I wanted to watch the one that had a seat and that go around and the one that had princesses and had some man designs.
Oh, you wanted that one?
But Daddy wasn't near me. Ride it, why, Mommy?
Don't worry, when we go back next year, we'll ride it, okay?
Say
hello to guys.
Is it because it was risky?
It was risky. Say hi, guys.
Next year, I'm gonna be way 5'5".
Of course. Say hello, guys.
Hello, guys. Hello, guys.
Okay, guys. Yeah, welcome back to another vlog, guys. So I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. Okay. So yeah guys, Kama will be starting primary school. She will be starting reception. Ever since we came, she's been in the preschool, and she has graduated and she's going to the primary school. And the good thing, the amazing thing about the primary school is that everything is free. And yeah, I'm super excited. My daughter is big now. The amazing thing is that she's going to start learning properly, unlike the preschool. In the preschool they only play, sing, read to them, but here in the primary school, in the reception, as in the primary school, yeah, she's going to start learning. So I know that it's going to be a lot of work, but I am happy. Like, I'm happy. I can't wait to I can't wait to start helping her out with her lessons and start doing, like, I can't wait for us to start like the proper school training. So guys, yeah, right now I'm in Asda. We just came to Asda. I'm going to buy some uniforms for her, and I'm also going to buy her some school shoes and I think a school bag if possible. But I'm looking at going to the city center tomorrow because I've already seen a bag that I really like for her. So I'm looking at going there tomorrow to get a bag for her. So I'll carry you guys along, and yeah, I hope you enjoy this vlog, guys. Okay guys, so this is what her outfits are like. I bought her these black skirts. I have two here. There are two of them here. So yeah, they specifically told me they wanted a pleated skirt. So this is actually what she's going to be wearing today. And she has a black socks also. I bought her some black socks, and this is ash colored socks because I got her an ash colored skirt also. And then this is white socks. I bought this because it's a long socks and I've been wanting a long socks. Then this is her cardigan. This is her cardigan. And then this is her shirt, like the school shirt. I got her two of these, and there are two of them. So yeah, then I also got for her some polo t-shirts, school polo t-shirts. I think this one is their sportswear. And I still have about one more uniform to buy. I still have about one more, like the pinafore. Then this one is a white t-shirt. I got her blue and white t-shirt. There are two in here, there are two over there. And yeah, this one is a trouser. I got her this trouser just because I feel like she should also have a trouser, because we're, you know, entering winter, so I don't know what it's going to be like during the winter period, so I thought she should also have a trouser. So I got her this trouser, and then I got her these lovely shoes. I'm yet to, I think this is enough, but if I think there's a need for her to have another shoe, then I'll get her another shoe. Then as for the school bag I want to get for her is not easy at the city center. I have to go there maybe tomorrow or next to get the school bag, so she'll be using her old school bag for now. Yeah. Hey guys, welcome back guys. So guys, today is, I'm going to brush you, okay? Today is Monday and Kaima has 1 hour to spend in school. She has 1 hour play date today, so I'll be taking her there, and then I'll come back and pick her. I'll come back, you know, after 1 hour, pick her from school, then take her to Debenhams. I'm going to go and buy her a school bag, and from Debenhams we'll also go to Primark. I want to buy her some leggings. You guys, she's wearing her clothes without leggings, and it's, no, you don't need books for now, and we are in spring, so I need her to wear like a host before wearing her socks. So I'm going to do all that this afternoon. So yeah, that's basically what we are going to be doing today, and we are almost late. So can I have the camera, please? So I just picked up Kaima from school now, and we are in a shop. I want to buy some things for Obi. I want to buy Weetabix for Obi because I want him to try something else, something new. Like I feel like he should mix his food. I'm just tired of giving him, you know, the same kinds of cereal and pap and the finger food. So I want to try Weetabix. I've heard about Weetabix. Has any of you tried Weetabix for any of your kids? So yeah, this is what I want to buy for him. I love Debenhams. I love Debenhams. Sorry. So yeah, we are in Debenhams.
And I am going on the elevator.
Yeah, Kaima loves the elevator. Kaima loves the elevator.
But we shouldn't jump on the elevator or put too many floors.
Yeah.
That way we might not be able to come out from the elevator.
Yeah. So we're going to get Kaima's school bag. Do you like this one? You don't like it? This is urine rubber.
I like light pink.
You like light pink?
Yes, not white.
Okay, but you like this one, right? I'm gonna pick Yankee. You like the silver, right? You like the silver, right? So guys, we finally got a bag, found bags here in Primark, so she's going to pick one from them. Oh my god, you guys, just take a look. Just take a look. Like we came to ease ourselves, and we just decided to come to this one. I've never been to this one before. This is my first time of coming to this one. Like, this is the family room. Kaima is in one of the toilets. Obi is being cranky. Obi wants to calm down. Oh my goodness, you guys, take a look at this, please. Wow. I'll be coming here, like I'll be visiting this place a lot when I want to feed Obi. Kaima, this place is cute.
Yes, so amazing.
It's amazing.
This place is so amazing.
It's amazing.
Even have a piece of 5-4.
Yeah, you like it?
Yes.
Wow. And we've not been coming to this family room. We always go to the other smaller ones. Wow. Okay. Yeah, like to think this is a toilet. Oh my god. To think this is a toilet. It even has books. Wow. This place is cute. Look at this. Look at how they used wood to design this place. Wow. Obi, do you like it? You like it? Obi likes it too. No, Kaima, no playing, baby. Ah. Please dispose of general waste through the opening below the counter under the waste bin. Okay, so you dispose bin from there, and this one is, I guess this is a microwave, right? This should be a microwave. Yeah, this is a microwave. Wow. Wow. We should be coming here. When we buy things, we'll come here. How can we come to the toilet to go to come and eat? Wow, nice. You guys, look at this place. You guys, look at this place. It's so nice. Wow, so cute. My kids are so happy to be here. Come on, where is the jacket, baby?
I never need jacket because I am.
See, Obi. Happy, Obi.
Surrender yourself, Sunny.
Hey guys, good morning guys. Let me put the lights on. Welcome back guys. So guys, today is Wednesday. Today is the day that Keva is going to spend like a whole time in school from 9 o'clock till 3:30. Yeah, but I have to be at her school at least by 8:45 or 8:50. So it's about 7 o'clock right now. I'm just dressed, washed my face, brushed, I'm dressed, and I'm going to go wake her up and get her ready. I'll just go downstairs. I've had her breakfast ready. She's going to take milk and Milo. Milk and Milo is like a chocolate drink. That's what she's going to take with some banana bread. I made some banana bread the other day, so she loves banana bread, so she's going to take that. Now in her school, she's going to be having school lunch, because I feel like if other kids are having a school lunch, then she should have it, because I don't want a situation where maybe other kids are doing something and you know she's left out. I don't want her to miss out. But one thing I decided to do is that in a whole week, one of those days, I told their teachers, one of the days in a whole week, I'm going to be packing lunch for her, and that will be Thursdays. So I'm going to be packing lunch for her on Thursdays. So yeah, the other day I bought her some school bag. I don't know if I've showed you guys. I bought her this school bag just for her to have a bag. It's not really like as if she really needs it, because she's not going to be bringing back anything from the school. But as a student, I feel like she just has to get used to bags. She started having a school bag from her preschool. So I got this the other day from Primark. This is a pair of leggings. That's 2-in-1. And then I got this from Debenhams. I got this from Debenhams. This is tight about 6 pairs of tights. So this is what I'm talking about. Can I see your skirt, Kaima? Stand up. Can I see your skirt? Okay, so this is her leggings, and then she's wearing a socks on it just because I don't want her to catch cold. Are you good? Okay, so she's here to brush her hair.
The reason is, if I just had this skirt, another jumper, and also this one, and also the shoes and the leggings without the socks, I would look more prettier.
You look more prettier. Okay, so you want to look more prettier. Okay, so we're going to brush your hair, and you guys will be leaving now. Once I brush her hair, we'll be going. And her school bag. You love your school bag, right? So I put some water there. You have water in school, right? I put some water for you, so you'll be good. Let's go, Angel. Hey guys, so guys, I'm back home. Bobby is ready, has had his shower, and it's my turn. But before I have my shower, you guys, I just don't want to go to the salon to pay like 20 pounds to lose this hair. So I'm going to do this myself. Yeah, because I'm definitely not using this whatever again, even though I know I could have still used it to maybe make braids. But honestly, like, I'm tired. I don't think I want to use it again. So I'm just trying to. What's up, guys? So I'm ready, all dressed, and I'm going out to go and get Kaima from school. You guys, honestly, this period I'm not sure I have any need to make up, honestly, because makeup might take me up to 15-20 minutes and I don't really have that time to spare, and I just want to always be on point. So yeah, I'm not sure I have any need to make up. You guys will just be seeing my face without makeup most of the times. Honestly, most of the times you'll be seeing my face without makeup. So yeah, it's about 3 o'clock and I'm just going to go wait there. So I'm that mom that you always see at the gate waiting. I'm one of those moms that love to come early and just stay at the gate and be waiting. So you guys, today I went early like usual. I was at the gate waiting, and it was so weird because every other person kind of came to see me at the gate, and then the gate man was just looking at me like with pity, like how can she be standing for a whole 15 minutes? He was just looking at me with so much pity, and he was like, you okay? I'm like, I'm fine, I'm just waiting for it to be 9 o'clock so she can go in. He kept asking me, you okay? Why am I not okay? Like, I knew I was supposed to, you know, come at 9 o'clock, but I decided to come 15 minutes earlier, so why wouldn't I wait? So yeah, I'm that mom that you always see at the gate waiting. So right now it's 3 o'clock and I'm supposed to pick her by 3:30, but I know I'm going to spend like 17 hours to get to her school, or 15 minutes to get to her school, or the highest should be 17 minutes. So once I get there, I'll wait. So yeah, I'm done with my hair. I just had to brush out this hair and wear. And Obi is cool. Obi has had his shower and he has had his food. So yeah, I'm going to pick my little girl. Hi guys. So guys, today is Friday. Yes, today is Friday. Today is Friday. Kaima is back from school. I just went now to pick her up from school. I am my husband. My husband is around today. So yeah, Kaima, how are you? Come say hi to guys.
Hi guys. I'm back from school.
Yeah, so how was school? How was school? Did you enjoy school?
One of my friends, she always misses her sister when she goes to the big school, and when she's her sister's around, she doesn't.
Do you miss your baby brother? So guys, yeah.
To cry when Obi was not around.
Oh, that she was about to cry when Obi was not around. Obi is always here for you, okay? I've stained your face with my lipstick. So guys, today is Friday. She has spent 3 days. She's so settled in school. So Kaima has met some friends, and then there's this boy that is nice. The boy is nice, right? There's a boy that is very nice to her, always wants to sit close to her, according to Kaima. So yeah,
I think he loves me. That's why he always sits next to me.
Yeah, he's nice to you. So yeah, it's unlike her former school, her preschool. There was a boy that was a bully, but in this school there's a boy that is nice. So for a boy to be nice to her in this school is something that I really like, because Kaima, because of that bully boy in her preschool, she never wanted to play with boys. She will always be like, mommy, I don't want to play with boys, I prefer to play with girls. But now she has someone in her class that, you know, she plays with, and I'm happy that she is not bullied and she's never going to be bullied. So yeah, as for bully, I'm so sure that is not going to happen in this school. It happened in her preschool. We talked about it severally, and it continued happening until the lockdown. But thank God that in this new school there will be no such thing, and I have already told the teachers, so they are all watching out for anything like that. So I don't like, it's horrible when your baby goes to school and is bullied. It's horrible. Like, no parents should. Sometimes in the morning your baby will be like, mommy, I don't want to go to school, but I thank God that I'm not going to experience that here. Like, I don't even want to believe that is going to happen here. I've told the teachers, they're watching out for her, and she also made good friends. And yeah, I just want to say thank you guys for always watching, always tuning in, always being there, always coming through, and I'll see you guys in my next video. If you're new to my channel, just press the red subscribe button, be a part of this family, and I'll see you guys in another video.